Hello and welcome. This is the best guide for parents or new students to understand FTC. In the next minutes, I'll give you a quick overview of First Tech Challenge, what it is, why it's important, and how it works. By 6133 The Nuts. First, we must look at the robotics organization FIRST. It stands for Inspiration and Recognition of Science and Technology, and it has three main levels. FLL, or First LEGO League, for younger kids aged 4 through 16, then FTC, or First Tech Challenge, for middle and high schoolers, where the robots fields and budgets are generally small, and then there is FRC, or First Robotics Competitions, where the team can be up to 50 people, the robots are massive, and the fields can take up an entire basketball court. But together, they create a system where kids of all ages can get interested and gain experience in the STEM field in a fun or interesting way. So what is FTC? First Tech Challenge, or FTC, is a global robotics program for middle and high schoolers. The goal is to inspire young people to be leaders in science, technology, engineering, and math, also known as STEM. Each year, teams build, design, and program a robot to compete in a challenge-based game that changes annually. It's a hands-on experience that teaches problem-solving, teamwork, and real-world engineering skills. So, how does the game work? Every season First releases a brand new game, complete with obstacles, scoring elements, and strategic challenges. Teams build robots that must navigate the field, pick up or manipulate objects, and complete tasks to score points, all within a 2.5-minute match. A match of the game consists of 3 parts. The first 30 seconds is a fully autonomous period where the robot completes pre-programmed actions using techniques such as odometry and computer vision. Then, we have 2 minutes of the driver-controlled period, where teams will manually control the robot to manipulate the pieces and score elements. Then the last 30 seconds of that period is the endgame, where special zones may get extra protections and the robot may have to complete extra actions such as a hang or a climb. So how does a tournament work? An FTC match is played with a partner in a 2v2 format. This increases the amount of teamwork and desire for the partner and opponents to do well, as they may be your future partners. So, FTC competitions are structured as a series of qualification matches, where the teams are randomly selected and paired into alliances of 2 robots each. Each match earns a team a ranking point based on wins, losses, and tiebreakers like total points scored. At the end of qualification rounds, the top-ranked teams get to choose their alliance partner for the elimination rounds. The elimination rounds determine which alliance will win the event and potentially move on to a further stage. So how does advancing work? Advancing to Worlds in FTC isn't just about winning matches. Teams can qualify for higher-level tournaments through several paths, ranking high in competitions, earning judged awards like the Inspire Award, or excelling in areas like robot design or outreach. From local and regional qualifiers, the best team advance to state championships, then to nationals or super regional competitions, and finally to First World Championships, where the top teams from around the world compete. Ohio, for example, uses the state championship model with 3 advancement slots: the winning alliance captain, the winning alliance partner, and the Inspire 1 award. Whereas Texas uses the regional model, where it splits into regions, and each region has a certain number of advancement spots to Worlds.
FTC isn't just about building a robot, it's about the engineering process. Teams start by brainstorming ideas, prototyping designs, and coding solutions. They document everything in an engineering portfolio which they present to judges at competitions. This process mimics real-world engineering and prepares students for careers in STEM. But FTC is more than just robots. It teaches gracious professionalism. First's core value of competing hard while treating others with kindness and respect. Teams collaborate, help each other, and even form alliances during matches. This fosters a community where learning and innovation thrive. FTC isn't just for students. It's for parents, teachers, and the community. Teams need mentors to guide them in engineering, programming, and teamwork. Whether you have technical experience or just want to support, there's a role for everyone, and we always need more volunteers. Tournaments and events always need people to be judges and administrators too.
So, there you have it. First Tech Challenge is about creativity, collaboration, and innovation. Whether you're a student, parent, or mentor, FTC has something to offer. If you're interested, consider joining or supporting a team. You might just find it's one of the most exciting and rewarding experiences out there. Thanks for watching, and we hope to see you in the stands and on the field. We hope you learned a lot. Let us know if you have any feedback and things we can do better, and if you really liked it, we can do more like this. As always, we really appreciate our sponsors, such as the Manufactory or the Walnut Hills Alumni Foundation. As always, gracious in victory and professional in defeat. We have left some very helpful resources in the description. Take a look at them if you want to dive into further information, or if you want to view the other robotics programs affiliated to FIRST.